one of them caught our eye.
I was trapped. I, alone, had no body, no senses, no feelings. I was in hell, looking at heaven, where I am.
But why? But one of them caught our eye.
That motivating penguin.
That penguin was about.
Shortly afterwards, we saw him heading straight towards the mountains. But why? But one of them caught our eye. But one of them caught our eye.
This viral penguin is everywhere on your feed.
But why? But why? But why? He would immediately head right back for the mountains. But why? One of them caught our eye.
As he pet the penguin, his
These
That motivating penguin.
That penguin was going to.
But one of them. But one of them. Even if he caught him and